Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create subpages inside Wix Studio. If you've ever wanted to organize your website's content into neat structured sections, like grouping related topics or services under one main page, then this tutorial is going to be a game changer. By the end, you'll know how to use Wix Studio's menus to create subpages that help your visitors navigate your site effortlessly. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Wix website design. If you're not already logged in, just open up Wix Studio and load up the site you're working on. Take a second to look around and get familiar with the workspace. This central dashboard is really the home base for all your editing. Spending a bit of time here will help you feel more comfortable as you build out your site. Now look to the left side of your screen. You're going to see a panel with several options. Find the one labeled Pages and Menu and give that a click. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to organizing your content. It might take a moment to load, especially if your site has a lot of pages, so don't worry if you see a brief spinning wheel. Inside the Pages and Menu section, you're going to see your current site menu listed out. This list shows all the primary pages on your website, here, where you can start creating subpages. Think of your main pages like the big chapters of a book and the subpages as the topics within those chapters. Subpages are perfect for breaking things down. Let's say you have a page called Services. You could add subpages underneath for web design, SEO, or consulting. It keeps everything tidy and lets your visitors find what they need quickly. To create a subpage, first, decide which page you want to become a subpage. Find it in your site menu and click on it to select it. Now, this next part is kind of like organizing files in a folder. Simply drag the page so it sits directly beneath the page you want it to connect to. You'll notice as you move it, Wix gives you a subtle visual. When you shift your selected page just a little to the right underneath the main page you're targeting, a line connector appears. This is Wix's way of telling you, hey, you're about to make this a subpage. If you see that line pop up, you know you're in the right spot. Don't worry if you have to try moving it a couple of times. Sometimes precise placement takes a few tries, especially if you have a long menu. Once you let go, you'll see that your page now nests under the other one, slightly indented. From a user's perspective, this creates a clear drop-down menu or section on your website, so visitors understand that the subpage is related to the main page above. It's a small change, but it really improves how people travel around your website. Remember, it's all about making your site intuitive for your visitors, and that's really all there is to it. Just repeat this process for any other subpages you want to add, and you'll quickly build an organized, professional navigation. If you ever want to undo it, just drag the page back out and it'll move up to the main level again. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any trouble. I always check the comments and I'm happy to help. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward Wix tutorials and other web design tips. See you in the next video.